Yung baby na Iowa di menos kung anya yating un record mundial. Nash Keen ting a Guinness World Record di a baby mas prematuro na mundo. Ela nasce 133 dias pro me com su tempo. Um momento hope emocional pe família pa llega ne punto aqui. Libby Randall di CNN com detayenan.
Anyone who has been around Nash Keen knows he's a happy, talkative, and giggly baby boy. His family and doctors call him a miracle.
We're immensely proud of Nash. We could not be prouder of him. He is truly a miracle.
Born at 133 days premature, Nash now holds Guinness World Record for the most premature baby.
Nash has a spunky personality. He's always happy. You rarely see him cry. He's always got a smile on his face, and his smile lights up a room.
While his journey is one of hope and happiness, his parents have been through a tragic loss. Molly and Randall found out they were pregnant in 2023, but unfortunately lost their daughter that September. 6 months later, they found out they were pregnant again, this time with Nash. At 20 weeks, Molly found out she was already 2 centimeters dilated. According to doctors, this can be a sign of preterm labor. Their hope was that he wouldn't be born too early.
And so we were kind of just like back in that, that scary situation where we didn't know what the outcome was going to be. Were we going to lose this one too,
From there, they went to the staff at University of Iowa Healthcare. Miraculously, they were able to help guide Molly on this journey.
I vividly remember the conversation with the parents when I told them that his chance of survival is 0. And again, when you've never had anyone survive at 21 plus 0 weeks, that's what the data says at that gestational age.
On July 5th, 2024, at 21 weeks, Nash was born. Dr. Amy Stanford was there when he was delivered and ran his resuscitation.
When babies are born at 21 weeks, we're not sure if they're going to be strong enough or big enough for our tiniest equipment to be able to do what it needs to do.
But Nash was, even though he weighed less than a can of pop. That whole time, his family and doctors never lost hope. With the help of a specialized medical team, he reached milestone after milestone.
It's so rewarding now to see him. You would have no idea when you look at him that he is the world's most premature baby.
Celebrating his first birthday this month was something unimaginable a year ago. He's not only a world record holder, but the biggest gift to his loved ones.
But I'm thankful that we are, because that means that he's here with us. So that's why we're so proud of the record.
A sense of pride and a journey they will always share.
E leyenda de wrestling Hulk Hogan a fallecer na edad de 71 anos, según el World Wrestling Entertainment. Estaba ta unje prome superestrella de wrestling profesional. Stephanie Elam de CNN da tirumbisa riba Hulk Hogan su carera profesional pa ding y pa fodering.
Since I'm the #1 in professional wrestling, everybody wants to jump on the bandwagon, man.
The legend who became Hulk Hogan was first drawn to wrestling as a fan. A young musician named Terry Bollea, whose height and enthusiasm got noticed by the wrestlers he met.
And they said, man, if you could gain some weight and get a little better shape, you got a little charisma there, you might be able to fit in with us.
Bollea received his stage name, Hulk, after fellow wrestlers noticed he was bigger than Lou Ferrigno, the bodybuilder who played the Incredible Hulk on TV.
We've got hundreds of thousands of Hulkamaniacs. We're going to make Woodstock like a backyard barbecue, brother.
Hogan was not a graceful wrestler, but he was skilled in getting the audience on his side. He became an overwhelming crowd favorite, riding a huge wave of popularity he called Hulkamania.
For me, you can turn your TV on some weekends and catch 10 saturating hours of Hulk Hogan or more, so I spent a lot of time in front of the camera.
Hogan's pride in his work got him into legal trouble. In 1984, during a talk show appearance, comedian Richard Belzer asked Hogan to try a wrestling move on him. Hogan put Belzer in a real sleeper hold, causing him to pass out and collapse onto the hard studio floor. Belzer ended up with a deep cut to the back of his head. He filed a lawsuit against Hogan and the World Wrestling Federation, which was settled out of court. But Hogan's star continued to rise, presenting himself as a healthy, family-friendly, flag-waving patriot.
Train, say your prayers, eat your vitamins, be true to yourself, true to your country, be a real American. Whew.
The peak of his wrestling career came in WrestleMania 3, when he defeated Andre the Giant with a body slam.
Look at this! He's I don't believe it!
Out of character, Hogan admitted that his level of stardom couldn't last forever.
They're excited as heck to see you, and it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and thank God it's still happening. What if it wasn't?
Eventually, Hogan's wrestling stardom did fade and was tarnished when he was forced in court to admit he had used steroids. Hogan tried to rebrand himself as a reality TV star, the overprotective dad to 2 kids, and Hogan knows best.
If we're dysfunctional, we're a normal dysfunctional family.
But that family image was rocked after his longtime marriage ended, and a video later leaked online showed him having sex with a married woman. Hogan sued the website Gawker for invasion of privacy. The case ultimately bankrupted Gawker and ended with a $31 million settlement for Hogan.
I think we made history today because I think we protected a lot of people from maybe going through what I went through.
In the ring, on TV, or even in the courts, Hulk Hogan was a compelling entertainer who fulfilled the celebrity dream he had for himself.
When it's in your blood, you'll do about anything to make it and get the job done.
Aldric Werleman, Telenoticia